We have to make it first. Okay, kiddos, what are you eating?
Popcorn?
Mochi, you want some more popcorn? Simone, more popcorn? Oops. Jeffrey. Simone, you want some more? Show me the more sign. Mochi, good job. Jeffrey, you too. Okay, show me please. Show me please.
Please?
Yeah, you guys are great. Okay, more popcorn? You know what? I don't know the popcorn sign. Oh yeah, have some. Show me. Show me your mouth is empty. Oh, good job. Jeffrey, show me your mouth. You kids are so sweet.
What's the popcorn sign?
I don't know, Mochi. Oh, Jeffrey, what kind of nom-nomivore is Mochi? Is she an omnivore?
The folky board.
The folky board? Oh, Mochi's a nom-nom-nomivore?
I'm a nom-nom-board.
What kind of momivore is Mommy? Is she a momivore? Mm-hmm.
Daddy is a daddy board, and Jeffrey's a Jeffrey board. Mochi's a Mochi board.
I thought you were nom-nom-nom-nom-nomivore.
I'm nom-nom-nom board.
Mochi, how's that popcorn? Yes, there's your milk. I'll get that. Okay.
Can I watch that video now?
We haven't finished making it, Jeffrey.
Why?
Because you're still on camera. How's that popcorn? Mochi, that makes you nomivore. Do you want some more? Show me the more sign. And show me the please sign. Jeffrey, more?
I'm a pour. Or mouth.
Okay, Mochi, now show me the thank you sign. Show me the thank you. You're welcome. Hey, Jeffrey, can you blow me a kiss? Simone, can you blow me a kiss? Oh, thank you for blowing me a kiss with popcorn. You kids are so sweet. I love you so much. Jeffrey, show me the I love you.
More.
More what? More popcorn?
I love you.
Oh, I love you.
Thank
And
you.
I love Simone. Yes, I love you. Okay, here's some more popcorn, Jeffrey.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, my little nom-nom-nomivores, it's bedtime.
I'm a big nom-nom boy. I want to watch a video.
Can you guys say goodnight?
Nay, I want to watch it.
Simone, can you say night-night?
I want to watch it.
Okay. Mochi, say night-night.
Nah.
Night-night. I love you, kiddos.
Gotta watch it.